Today we are again at the Eruption site with a group of tourists. Actually, I'm at work. Conditions are not very good. As you see, it's raining again. For 2 weeks we had so much rain. And this is how the volcano looks today. You do see hot lava, you see. That lava pool to the front of the crater. And you can also see lava shooting in the crater here. Once in between. But there is much less activity than a week ago. I give this volcano 2-3 days more, perhaps max a week. It's likely to go off soon. Still there is a lava jet. You see some lava jets there. Small ones. Today is non-drone weather. There's more lava visible. Today there is no hot lava visible anywhere on the edges. You know, it's just everything is cold on the edges. You go hiking with small kids, that's a challenge because it's a lot of rain. There is a mountain island, you saw it also from a drone. It's the situation today on August 1st. Many people, as you see. Some smoke in the air. See some hot spot. This is volcano today on August 1st. Greetings from Iceland.